Let's clean this water pump. It's a helical structure. It looks like this after taking it apart. When you unscrew it, you can see that there is a circle of screws here. These don't need to be unscrewed, because there's a filter in there. The filter screen can ensure that garbage and impurities cannot enter the inside of the pump, only water can enter. So we just clean these two parts. If possible, you can use a brush to brush it. We put it back. Cleaning this pump is very simple. It's packed like this.